Okay, good evening everyone, and today video I'm going to show you how to copy file to your Kindle. Okay, to do that you need to have the cable connection from your Kindle to your PC. So use your Kindle charger cable, connect it and connect to the PC. Okay, now I plug one side to the Kindle and another side to the PC. Okay, now it get connect. You can see the Kindle got charged, and now we need to know that the file that Kindle can read is the PDF file or the Mobi file. So mostly I use two of them. Okay, on the PC screen you will see your Kindle right here. Okay, and then open it. Go to document, and here is where you can paste all the file that you want to copy to it. Okay, for example, now I'm going to copy all this file. We got the Mobi file, you can see here, and the PDF file. Go to that document again and paste. Okay, after that just close it and eject the Kindle. And now let's check on the Kindle. Okay, after that let's check on your Kindle. You can now see here some new book, and just press this setting and go to your library. After that you will see all the book that you input to it. Okay, so that's it. That is all for today's video of how you can copy file or book to your Kindle. So now thanks for your time watching this video, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye bye and have a nice day.